Benefits of green chilies: protecting from chronic diseases, helpful against diabetes, helping cure anemia, antimicrobial properties, promoting healthy skin, aiding weight loss. Increasing body temperature during winters, reducing stomach ulcers. Benefits of green chilies: protecting from chronic diseases, helpful against diabetes, helping cure anemia, antimicrobial properties, promoting healthy skin, aiding weight loss. Increasing body temperature during winters, reducing stomach ulcers. Benefits of cherry tomatoes are rich in lycopene, which is great at fighting free radicals that cause disease. Lycopene can also limit UV damage to your skin from sun exposure and promote better heart health. Cherry tomatoes are also an excellent source of vitamin A. Red grapes offer protective benefits against heart diseases, helps control mood swings and headaches. Black grapes may reduce the risk of getting certain cancers. Mint leaves filled with nutrients, improve digestive health, boost your immune system. Better brain function, support your pregnancy, reduce cold symptoms, keep your mouth healthy. Help manage stress.
कदमों पे तू चला इस दुनिया